learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lane Lim Zepsiu, and we're going to teach you another proverb, I think, today. 來，今天有什麼樣的諺語可以跟我們大家分享呢？ A proverb that Leo's going to share.
今天我搞大家，今天要教大家的就是出門帶傘B，處處黑放偏。
B B B 3 B 嘛。
B B B
Okay, that's an interesting line right there. 再講一次第一句。
出門帶傘 B，
出門帶傘 B， OK， 這什麼意思？
他的意思就是說，出門在外要謙卑一點
哦，
對人家有禮貌一點。
傘 B 就是3個階級下來，
對，就是你把自己本來可能你的位階很高啊，你就把自己降下來。
Oh, okay. So for the first part of it, it talks about how when you're outside, when you're dealing with people, you should lower your rank by 3 levels. OK， 那後面呢？
處處可以訪偏，就是你不管你去哪裡都很方便。對，你只要有禮貌的，很好，很客氣的跟人家問路啊，跟人家問任何事情，大家都會很願意告訴你。
OK， 所以就是處處是方便的意思嘛，對不對？
對。
好，方便，順便跟大家教一下怎麼說。
訪偏。
訪偏。Okay, so the last part of this proverb literally means after you lower your rank by 3 levels, you're going to get a lot of convenience everywhere, meaning it'll be a lot easier to deal with people because you're not so egoistic and not so arrogant. You have more of a humble personality. 就比較謙卑一點的那種感覺了嘛。
超啊。
其實這句話應該更要去叮嚀提醒一些新人進職場的時候要用的。
超，尤其是剛從大學畢業的那個這職場的新鮮人吶，你到了一個新的環境呢，謙卑一點絕對有好處的。
一定是這樣子的。Very good. Actually, this comes in handy. Right now, a lot of people are looking for a new job, right? So this will be very handy when you go into a new workplace. You have to keep yourself, kind of in the lowdown. All right? Okay, let's hear this explanation entirely in English.
A humble attitude is the key to an easier life. This old Hakka proverb is a reminder that those who strut around with a haughty attitude often encounter resistance from those they interact with. The proverb literally says that one should act as if they are 3 steps down in status or rank, as, even if you are in fact a big shot, being humble is the best way to make friends and get stuff done. Kind, gentle, and humble people are welcomed wherever they go.
And Leo, can you repeat the line one more time?
出門帶傘 B， 處處可以訪偏。
And there you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.